Namaskar and good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the nature of employee in the bar chart of the owner. We all know that the employees are called the prime movers of the organization because the performance of the organization is dependent on the performance of the employees to a large extent. If the performance of the employees are good, the performance of the organization will also be good. If it is opposite, so definitely the performance will be very bad. So, in determination of the nature of employee in the bar chart of owner, so we have to make certain observations. Now, what are these observations? Number one, there is a connection between ascendant on and sixth house. Why ascendant? Ascendant is reflected as the owner of the employee, and the sixth house is reflected in the employees as employees. So there will be the good connection between the first house and the sixth house. Second, sixth lord, also the another important factors. So we have to find out the strength and weakness of the sixth lord and its affliction. Third point is Mars. Mars is called the natural signifactor of the employees. So if Mars is good, so definitely employees will be good. If Mars is afflicted, definitely the employees will be not good. Fourth factor. Fourth factor is to see whether there is a connection, there is some bad planets connected with the sixth house or not. Suppose if Saturn is connected, the all employees will be hopeless and the organization will lose. So, if these criteria are fulfilled, so definitely the organization will be the good. Actually, the criteria will be in positive nature. There will not be affliction. There the strength of the is good. That and etc. So I hope that you will understand what I am telling, and please make a bar chart of a person or the owner of the organization and see the how the employee how the nature of the employees there. Thank you and good evening again.